6 steps that I personally use to manifest just about anything using the law of attraction. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. On this channel, we believe you deserve the money you desire, the love that you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend upon and you deserve right here. So be sure and subscribe and always click the bell icon. Okay, these are 6 steps. People ask me, make it real simple. Make it super simple and share with me what you do on a regular basis to manifest just about anything. You can manifest love, happiness, a relationship, a new car, several new cars, a new home, money, whatever it is that you desire. Expect awesome results. I mean, expect big results when you use all of these 6 steps. Number 1, imagination and dreams. You know, I have a friend, actually he was a client who became a friend, who is an author. And he writes both fiction and nonfiction books. And he said, when I write a nonfiction book, I have a very strict outline. But when I write a fiction book, I don't have an outline. I just allow my imagination and my dreaming to take place and let the story go wherever the story wants to go. And so I realized when he told me that was quite a few years ago, that was a secret to manifesting. What a lot of people do is they start imagining, they start dreaming, and they go, no, that can't happen. Don't dream that. And then they start, well, I'll dream this. And they start dreaming this, oh yeah. And then, oh no, that's never going to happen to me. And they stop it. You see, when you allow your imagination to just go wild, I mean crazy, and you allow your dreaming to go crazy, then later on you can go back and you can kind of put it into place. But in the beginning, you have to dream as if there were no limits and no boundaries, because there aren't any. So high flyers, after you have written down all of your awesome dreams and imagination experiences, and you just go wild with it. Just write it all down. And then notice that limiting beliefs and doubts begin to show up. As soon as you get it all written down, all of a sudden, these limiting beliefs start to show up. You need to challenge those limiting beliefs head on. Write them down. And then write down underneath. In other words, you write down the limiting belief and then write down right underneath it all the reasons why it doesn't exist, why it's a false belief, why you're not going to give it any energy at all. And then create a positive affirmation to counter that limiting belief. In other words, high flyers, you're not getting off the ground if you're holding on to limiting beliefs. You're not getting out of the darkness if you don't have a match and a candle. You have to have belief. And that belief has to smack right into those limiting beliefs and shatter them, tear them apart. That's one of the things I like to do, by the way, is sometimes I will visualize my limiting belief on a big, giant LCD plasma screen. I mean huge. And I'll see the limitation. And then I'll take a bright red rock and I'll throw it right at the screen and shatter it into 1,000 million pieces. It's a variation of an NLP technique, but it works for me. Number 3, absolute certainty. Once you've decided this is your dream, this is what you're manifesting, this is your goal, and you've challenged those limiting beliefs, now you must have absolute certainty. Beliefs. Believe. Faith. You know, absolute certainty is another word for incredible, unstoppable faith. I have seen people brought back from the brink of death by nothing else other than one person's faith. I have seen people create incredible financial empires with one thing that was always with them: absolute certainty, faith. You have to be absolutely certain that what you are manifesting is already present in your life. Inspired action is the next one. Look at, I used to say, and I still say, there is no attraction without action, because there has to be some movement. Vibrationally, energetically, physically, on some level, there has to be movement. But when that movement is inspired from spirit, and when it flows through you, and you just get the shivers, oh, I got the shivers, and you just feel like, I know I've got to do this. That's when there's no wall big enough or tall enough or thick enough that can stop you from your dreams and your goals. Number 5, gratitude. I cannot emphasize daily gratitude, present tense gratitude. I am grateful for my beautiful wife and my family. I am grateful for my wonderful home. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my new cars. I am grateful for my friends. You know, and you make it present tense, and you fill your energy field full of gratitude. What's in your energy field is what you will attract, high flyers. I'm getting too excited. I am just getting too fired up. And then, finally, after you've done all of that, detach. Just walk away from it and let it happen. Here's some other videos that I know will help you on your journey.